Let's factor this expression. Now notice how this looks like difference of squares. We're going to let a equals x squared. And so what we have here is a squared minus 81. Notice how if we replace a with x squared squared becomes x to the 4. And now we can factor using difference of squares. We have a times a is a squared plus minus 9. Now what is a again? A is x squared. So we have x squared plus 9, which is not factorable because this is a plus sign. And we have a, which is x squared minus 9, which can be factored further. So the x squared minus 9 becomes x plus 3, x minus 3. And now we have the fully factored answer.